Taser! Move! Hey, bro!
On July 16th, Joliet, Illinois officers responded to a reported disturbance outside a sports bar involving a 23-year-old man. Police said they found the man sitting inside a vehicle while arguing with a woman who was standing outside. When officers asked him to exit the vehicle, they reportedly noticed suspected cocaine on the seat where he had been sitting. Police said the man then ran from officers and was quickly apprehended following a brief pursuit, during which he resisted before being taken into custody.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Nothing's going on.
No. Listen, can I talk to you somewhere else?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna talk to you over here.
Okay. Hey, get out of the vehicle real quick. Go get out of the vehicle.
Okay. He okay.
No,
he okay.
He got to get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle.
Go ahead, Pat. Just go ahead. Just step out. You okay? You ain't got nothing. You cool.
All right, go ahead and step out.
For what?
It's because I'm asking you to step out.
Go ahead, Pat. Just go ahead.
All right. What's going on tonight?
We were just arguing. She's gonna drop me off.
Okay. Were you guys just in a verbal argument?
Yeah, I did not tell she was gonna drop me off at home. She was
Okay.
home.
Where's home?
And she in Custodial.
In Crest Hill. Okay. There was no physical actions, so just verbal argument between the two of you. Okay. All right. We'll just stand here with me, and he.
Stand outside. Stand outside. What's this? You were sitting on it, right? You pulled him out of the seat, right?
Huh?
You pulled
Yeah.
him out of the seat. Pull him behind the door.
You guys do a pat down on him? No. Did you do a pat down on him?
No. But
You guys might want to do a pat down on him. Yep. You might want to do a pat down on him.
Face the car for me.
Huh?
Can you face the car for me?
Yeah.
Face the car.
95! Hold on. Taser! Move! Hey, bro! Taser deployed. We got one fighting.
Stop resisting.
95 him, bro.
Get him.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop. Just stop, please.
Back her up.
Hey,
I'm not
where's
doing
the baggie on top?
I know.
Dad, where, please? I didn't call the police on you. Me? You would say I did that to you? I never did shit to you.
all right, turn him on his side.
I never called the police on you.
Pull him over on his side.
Oh, that's wild, Kane.
Just chill.
Oh, wow, Kane.
That's what happens when you run,
Put your
dude.
knees to your chest.
Well, I
There's
ain't
no
been-
reason to run.
Bro, because y'all doing some extra shit for
Put your
nothing,
knees to
gang.
your chest. Put your knees to your chest. Put your knees to your chest.
Y'all
Knees
doing,
to your chest.
y'all doing
Put your
extra
left
shit,
leg to your
gang.
chest.
Y'all did extra shit, gang. She just said one other going on, gang.
Here, lift him up.
Y'all doing some extra shit, gang. Oh, that shit weird as gang.
Were we able to do a
Stop
pat down on him?
Why you doing all that, gang?
I gotta get my camera first.
Yo, I'm not doing shit, bro. Y'all tweaking, gang.
Somebody stay with me.
He's doing my part. Stop touching me, bro. Yeah, well, what said we're not doing shit.
We're not calling the shots anymore.
I don't get no
Because he has.
You're in my face talking to me, gang.
He's gonna hold on to you the whole time.
What?
You got it. Hey,
What I do? What I do?
what's his name?
What I do?
You have PCS and you tried running from us.
Man, bro, cause y'all doing too
Obstructing.
much,
Hey,
gang.
hey, hey. Do you have anything else on you? Any drugs?
Damn, bro.
The last time,
Right pocket.
you remember me when you threw the stuff in the toilet and flushed it?
Man, bro, why are you talking to me, bro?
Okay, just saying. Threw back some some shrooms. He threw some shrooms in there in the toilet, and me and Early had to spit it out.
Oh yeah.
So do a very thorough custodial search of my because he's known to have narcotics on him, and he's known to play with guns. So that's why we do pat down the searches on him. I guess I'm lying, bro. All right. Well, you're obviously under arrest for obstructing. And no, we don't need no. You don't need to go to the hospital, right? We don't have to go to the hospital.
I swear my feet stop being aggressive.
Spread his feet.
Oh, man, give me a second.
Take your shoes off.
Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off.
25, your file.
Take my shoe off, bro. Don't touch me, man.
Make sure you get in his crotch, partner. Make sure you get in his.
Why you doing all that,
Take your shoes off.
Make sure you get in his crotch area because he flushed narcotics on me 2 years ago in the vehicle. I mean in the lockup.
25, did you want
So
your file
make him
back?
take his socks off. Check his shoes very thoroughly because he's a known drug dealer. That I don't know because I don't know who he's registered to and all of that. But right now he might be under arrest also for
Balance
domestic.
with Denise or Sam.
Investigating it.
I never touched nobody, man.
They're investigating.
20
weeks out, thank you.
I didn't tase anybody here, right? Second time. Because there was a lot of people moving. I just want to make sure nobody else got tased. You didn't get tased, none, right?
All I'm saying is, bro, you trying to make it seem like some shit that I ain't even did, man.
31,
All we were
your
doing
file.
was a protective sweep, pat down of you, and you didn't allow officers
Valid
or my
photo
partner to
ID
do that.
from FIJ
Oh, I
Bridges
didn't
on
say
Bowling
that,
Brook,
man.
no
Y'all
section
trying
slash
to
12, Clear City County today.
That's the shit, bro.
But there it is.
One bag
Are you
in the front-
documenting where you're locating this, partner? Just remember, because it's going to be for your report. Remember, 2 years ago,
Bro, that was
when
two-
hold on, let me
hold
speak.
on, no,
2 years
hold
ago,
on.
when we went down the lockup,
Hold on.
you took stuff out of your nuts and threw it down the toilet, and me and my partner had to reach it out of the toilet. And it tested positive for fentanyl, you had pills, all mushrooms, all types of shit. So when we get to and I cut your break and didn't charge you with bringing stuff to a penal institution. So you don't have anything else on there when we come take you down the lockup, right?
No, I'm just saying okay, y'all just got everything out on me. I had whatever I had in my pocket.
But you don't have nothing stuffed again like you did last time in your crotch, right?
I'm keeping it 100%
We'll,
with you.
we'll find out when we get there. Okay.
All right.
No, I just got a quick question though.
Yes, sir.
Is this do I have to try to sit down or I'll be able to go home tonight and then come back?
Well, we gotta talk to the lieutenant. We gotta figure out what's going on, and a lot depends on the amount, the weight of what you get. All right.
I mean, what I had, he found in my pocket. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you about that shit. Like,
Okay.
he got what he got. No, it's not no point. I don't have nothing on me else, but
It's what we do. If we get someone with drugs, we get down the station, and then we start looking, maybe doing strip search. So we might be doing that. Okay. So with that being said, is there anything else you want to tell us right now?
no, sir. So I just got a question though. Like,
Yeah.
if it's not too much, will I be able to go home in the morning or tonight or what?
Well, if it's under a certain amount, then you'll probably be going home. As far as I know right now, you didn't hit any of my guys, did you? Sure. So was it just trying to get away? You weren't like trying to hurt the police or anything like that? Because that makes a big difference. I mean, I wouldn't mess with Nelson. That dude's huge. Nelson.
That's some bullshit. He want to do some bullshit.
I cut you a break last time. I cut you a break last time just a year ago, bro.
I'm just saying, they want to do some bullshit with me.
How?
I'm just trying to tell you, like, damn.
I asked you to keep it 100 with me 2 years ago, and you pocket.
What you mean? You ain't telling me to keep it 100. When you find what you found, you just cuff me.
Well, that's because
right?
I gave you the benefit of the doubt, and we didn't charge you with bringing drugs to a penal institution. We definitely cut you a break.
Let's get.
Get-
We're gonna
get-
get you down station. Get the
yeah.
handcuffs off. You know, we're gonna get you down station, get the handcuffs off, you and all that stuff, and get some pictures of you. Okay.
The man was arrested on charges including possession of a controlled substance with intent to deliver, aggravated resisting an officer, and obstructing an officer. He was taken to the Will County Adult Detention Facility following his arrest. The article did not report a bond amount, bail decision, or sentencing information. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.